Our Defence Force is attempting to go green with a new initiative targeting the huge amount of food waste it generates. It's starting with the Navy, which, as well as protecting our shores, is now making its own compost. McLean explains.
I'm not going to lie, I was expecting some kind of slop. Simon, what's for lunch today?
For lunch today, if we look at our whiteboard here, we've got some pork loin with apple and blue cheese coleslaw, pan-fried steaks with herb butter and a Malaysian rendang curry.
Oh yes, welcome to the Navy kitchen, where apparently they're aiming for a Michelin star. This sounds very gourmet.
Oh, we've got to do it flash, you know, keep the boys happy, even though they're never happy, these guys. You know, I want a medium rare steak. No, I want a well-done steak.
Hey, Carlos, how's the food?
Oh, it's pretty good, thank you, mate.
Yeah, I bet. But keeping these guys happy means they're cooking upwards of 3,000 meals a week. That equates to 95 tonnes of food a year. And the question's always been, what do you do with those scraps? Well, until now, they've always been carted off-site to the tip, but not anymore, thanks to this lady. They call her Big Hanna.
So she composts on-site and in a closed vessel, which means that instead of trucking food waste off your site, you're actually turning it into rich, nutritious compost on-site.
It takes 8 weeks for the food to get turned into compost.
So you think of her as a big gut, really. So as it passes through during that 8 to 10 week period, she goes through these different zones of bacteria until the process is finished. It's a natural biological process.
It's new, but the Navy's already seeing major cost and environmental benefits. There's now plans to expand it to other Defence Force bases.
Yeah, it works very well, very well. Heaps of waste reduction, where we've seen massive amounts reduced.
The Navy, clean, green and great cooks. Who knew? McLean, OneNews.